Happy Manliness Monday, guys. So, I'm gonna get rid of some of this. Like this. Much cooler. I know it's kind of shocking, because I've at least had the goatee and the long hair for as long as you've known me. Reasons for it, I'll get into that as soon as the video's over. So, let's get to the weirdness. So I know this is going to be a huge shock to you guys, but this felt weird. It felt 100 times more weird than it looks. Having someone else tie my hair back, pull it tight, and throw it into a braid. It's one thing when you do it to yourself, but having someone else do it for you is bizarre to me. And I don't know, it's just something I can't get over. So getting this hair at this length, I could have left it this way. However, I just like that clean cut feel and just fresh everything. So it adds a little time between the time I donate to the next time I donate, but it's only like 2 or 3 months, and you can foreshorten that with the right diet. And I will be making a whole video on the right diet to improve your hair growth in the near future. Also, a little tip for you, use the right shaver when you're shaving your head. The little Gillette one just doesn't cut it. Sorry. Now, shaving the beard is its own little beast, because beard hair is a lot coarser and harder than hair on your head, and I had to use way more soap, shaving soap, than I thought. And I had to relather like 5 times. So, oops. I also had to resharpen my blade a bunch of times because I don't own a strop. That's just one of those things I need to correct in the near future. And it looks ridiculous as hell. One thing to note is that your skin is going to be a lot more sensitive before you shave. When you're shaving for the first time again. Now, I'd like to take this moment to thank my Patreon supporters over at patreon.com/Knightsmith. You guys are absolutely incredible, and I can't thank you enough. So, thanks. Thanks for watching, guys. So, the whole point of this is to donate this. I've been doing this as long as I was actually right after high school when I could grow my hair all the way out, because I was on the swim team. But this has two purposes. Yes, to donate the hair, but also I'm out inspecting the river all the time. I'm doing detention ponds. I'm going to be working on a paving project outside in the summer heat. Long hair is hot. Second thing to do with all of this. The beard. Weird for a guy who makes beard balm to shave his beard. Not so weird when you think about it, because the purpose of the beard balm is to actually take care of the skin and the follicles underneath. And how can I know if it's taking care of that if I never see it? So this is for me to actually get a visual inspection of my skin to make sure that my product works 100% as I intend. So guys, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around for this strange, kind of crazy video. It feels weird. So, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you always get notified of new videos. And when you get a chance, go to patreon.com/Knightsmith to support me, my wife, this channel, and the family that she's growing inside of her. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you. And thank you for helping make this world better, one kerf at a time, and I'll see you next week.